Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the right tip size and cleaning both tips and your ears so the seal can work. This matters because a clean surface grips better. Once you have the right tip, insert at a slight angle and rotate gently until you feel a vacuum-like seal. Make sure the cable is routed over your ear or looped behind for immediate tension relief. This prevents pull from dislodging the bud when you move. Now refine the fit. Swap to foam tips if silicone slips. Foam compresses and expands to fill your canal, improving retention. Then add mechanical supports like ear hooks or wings, which distribute force across the concha so motion won't eject the earphone. Once done, manage the cable. Clip it to clothing or create a short loop behind your neck to reduce leverage from sudden tugs. These steps change both how the earphone sits and how external forces act on it. Finish by stress testing the setup. Move your head jog in place and speak to confirm stability. Adjust tip depth and wing placement as needed. If slipping persists, swap tip material or consider a different model. Fit varies by design and ear anatomy, and that's why different buds behave differently. If you need an immediate workaround, use a tiny over-ear clip or an adhesive ear tab to hold the cable or earbud in place. This one troubleshooting trick often solves intermittent problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.